Time for our first big review of the day. Now, before I start, I have a little quiz for you. Tell me, the words and phrases that we use most often when we are about to get started with a review of a big phone. Think about it. The words and phrases we use the most are exclusive, first with us, and many such like. Yes, it's time to chest thump again, because once again, on Cell Guru, we have a phone that is yet to be released, many days away, exclusive, first with us, the HTC One S. This is a mid-range phone for HTC in their One series, and they have a lot hanging on this phone. Let's take a look.
The One series is by far the most talked about in HTC's portfolio, and with every new phone in the series, HTC seems to be taking things a notch higher. The second in command from the One series is meant for people who get nervous around phones with screens that are gigantic. The S, in look, feel and size, is just about right. The design of the One S once again is the main attraction. Beautifully crafted and perfectly put together, this one is slim but not silly thin, and yet it is the thinnest of all HTC phones at 7.8 mm, and it's got it all packed within 119 grams. The top and bottom sections of the case are rubberized plastic to make sure you get a good grip, and the top section pops off to get to the micro SIM card slot. The chassis is made from aluminium, which has been given a micro arc oxidization treatment. Turn the phone around and you come face to face with a 4.3-inch display. This is not in the same league as the curvaceous One X, but it is still top of the line with a resolution of 540 to 960 pixels. Running the latest HTC Sense 4.0 on top of Android 4.0, this one is a powerful little beast in rubber clothing. The One S is powered by a 1.5 GHz dual-core processor, and it's ridiculously fast and responsive, zipping around menus and downloading apps happening all in a flash. HTC seems to have had some major R&D meetings to make sure that their phones focus on great cameras, optics and fantastic images. This phone is pure proof of it. Like the One X, One S too comes with 8 megapixels, an f2.0 lens, backside illuminated sensor and updated camera software, but the camera aren't identical. HTC's new camera software includes the burst mode for taking up to 99 photos in a continuous sequence by holding a finger on the shutter button. Video can be recorded in up to 1080p resolution. There is a VGA front camera too. As with all of HTC's One series range, the One S comes with the Beats Audio to bring a range of audio enhancements. The other strong point of the device is its multimedia prowess. The pictures, music and videos all mesh well in the phone, resulting in a great experience. The drawback of this 3G device is that it comes with 16 GB of storage, which cannot be expanded because there's no micro SD card slot. The battery too isn't much at 1650 mAh, and the fact that it has so many connectivity options may hit the battery life even harder. The Cell Guru verdict? The HTC One S is one of the finest Android handsets ever made. The price is a huge disappointment, as we had hoped it would be around 26,000. Still, in this world where the dollar rate is hitting all new phones, the One S is at a shocking 36,000 MRP and still holds its head just above the water. HTC One S scores: design 8.5, display 8, features 9, performance 9, value 8, USP looks and finish 8.5, overall score 8.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.